everyone and welcome back to my beauty channel. My name is Josephine and I do, well, beauty videos. Today we're going to unbox the Goodiebox of Mars. Goodiebox is a beauty subscription, so you receive a beauty box monthly with around 5 products. It's pretty much like Glossybox, but I prefer Goodiebox. And also I have a link in the description. Just a certain amount of people can use it. If you use the link when you subscribe to the box, you receive a 25% discount on your first box, and I receive goodie points. So this is not sponsored or anything, it's just an affiliate link. So if you're going to subscribe to this subscription, you can just as well use it. Yeah, so if you're not already subscribing to my channel, I would really recommend you to do that. And of course, like, comment, hit the bell and turn on the notifications so you don't miss my future videos. Let's start this unboxing. This is the box you receive, so let's open. Every box is unique. You receive them in, well, different colors, and sometimes they have prints and stuff on them. But yeah, this is green, so not really my shade, but I'm fine with it. And I usually save these and organize makeup or sponges and just stuff in them. They're really practical to have. And it says Goodiebox on the top. Really nice. This is what it looks like inside. And the theme of this month's box is Back to Nature. In here we have descriptions of all of the products, and one of you actually commented that you want me to read the description first and then unbox the box, but I don't want to do that because I feel like this is a bit, well, I want to be surprised when I open and pick the products up, so I'm not going to do that. But if more people of you think that's a better way of doing these videos, please comment, then I can maybe change it. But as it looks like right now, I'm not going to change my way of doing this. So I will read this after. Now I'm just going to unwrap the paper a bit and not looking inside or anything. And then I just reach for one product at a time, talk about it and so on. So let's do that. Okay, first product. Oh, Bioderma Soothing Me Clear Cleansing Foaming Gel. Moisturizes face and eyes, rinse off, and it's, well, if you have sensitive skin you can use this, and it's 100 milliliters. So it's a well-known brand, it's a good size, and I actually just ran out of all my cleansers, so it comes very well. I'm definitely going to use this like today. Really nice size, I like it. Next product, Mind Hand Sanitizer, Moshi Moshi Mind. We have received, you know, these face rollers and sponges from this brand. I love their packaging, it's so cute. Also good size, so it's hand sanitizer with moisturizing effect. It's a good time to include this in the box because of everything that's going on, obviously. This will actually come handy, I like it. I'm happy. We move on. Oh, what is this? Ray-Ban's Salooner. This looks so expensive. Okay. Is it a little makeup bag or something like that? I like the print and the color. Maybe it would look better without the text. That's a little bit different. I appreciate it. I don't really like to just receive skincare products. It's not really my area within beauty. But okay, moving on. Marie Stella Mary's Care for Water Lip Balm, moisturizing and repairing. 12 milliliters. For each item you purchase, we donate a fixed amount towards clean water projects worldwide. Okay, I don't usually use lip balms. They're just ending up in my cabinet, but maybe I should. I have really dry lips, I know. It looks expensive. I like the look and the packaging. Let's try it on. It smells a bit minty. Okay. Maybe I'm going to use this sometime. Okay. Mud Masky After Mask Vitamin Serum. pH balanced, extra smoothing, anti-aging, feeding, protecting, nourishing. 30 milliliters. Is it a mask or a serum? I recognize this brand as well. I don't know why. Big size. I'll have to read about it. Do we have more? Okay, some kind of discount code. Okay. Starskin VIP 7 seconds luxury all day mask. Miracle skin mask pads. Okay. I don't like masks. You know that if you watch my other videos. I don't think they actually work. You have to use them multiple times to see result. Therefore, I don't like to receive them because you just receive one package. And it just means that I have to buy more of them and I won't. So yeah, not my favorite product, but I can accept that people appreciate receiving these. So I'm fine with it. And we have received masks from this brand before, Starskin. So it seems like it's popular or they want to be popular. Okay. We received 6 products this month. That's good. I think we usually receive 5 products. So I really like that. Let's read the descriptions. This is the paper. Moshi Moshi Mind full size hand sanitizer. Recommended price around $12. This paper is written in Swedish and Swedish currency, so I guess a bit. Don't quote me on that, okay? But around $12. Moshi Moshi Mind's luxurious hand sanitizer. It isn't just a hand sanitizer, it also moisturizes the hands. Use 1 to 2 drops. Okay. Bioderma Bioderma foaming gel. Recommended price $20 for 200 milliliters. This isn't a full size because this is 100 milliliter, but it's still big. It calms, it cleanses, and it moisturizes the skin or hydrates the skin. Apply, work it in until you see a foam. Rinse it off and gently dry your face. Use morning and evening. You can also use it as a makeup remover. It works really good on all skin types. Looking forward to try this. Mud Masky full size. After mask vitamin serum pH balanced. Recommended price $50. Okay. So you're supposed to use this after you use the mask? I never heard about that. It feeds the skin with the natural vitamins. It keeps the skin healthy and glowing. It doesn't contain oils or scents. Wash your hands and face. Apply a thin layer in your face. Okay, that's really expensive, right? Maybe it's very popular, I don't know. Starskin VIP 7 seconds luxury all day mask. Recommended price $34 for 18 pieces. This is one. It's a luxurious mask. It's easy to use and your skin will feel fresh and it will give it a glow. Gently massage the skin with the pad. Then you switch side and press it in. It's perfect before you do your makeup, or you can use it as a mask over the night. Maybe I can try it. I don't know. We'll see. Full size Ray-Ban Salooner makeup bag. Recommended price $29. This is handmade and it's made of recycled polyester. Ray-Ban Salooner designed it. Never heard about that brand before. Stella Mary's full size lip balm. Recommended price $12. It contains a lot of stuff and it will reboost your dry lips and keep them soft and hydrated. It absorbs quickly. It doesn't get sticky, and it has a fresh scent of eucalyptus and menthol. I said mint. Perfect for dry lips who needs a little boost to go ready for the spring. Okay. It's a good box. I like it. As usual, Goodiebox successfully mix a lot of beauty categories in the box. I love that. It's a bit rare actually. And we also receive a lot of full-size products, well-known brands. Sometimes, yeah, you can receive products from unknown brands, but usually you recognize them. I'm happy as always, and I really recommend Goodiebox. Overall, they have amazing boxes, okay? And as I said before, this is not sponsored and it's not a collaboration or something, but I really love them. Again, if you are going to start this subscription, try to use my link. If it doesn't work, it means that too many people have used it, but at least try. I think a couple of more people can use it. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell and turn on the notifications so you don't miss my future videos. See you in the next video. Bye!